new lesson 2.4. Please listen on page number 50. Today we will learn only warming up. There are 4 questions in chit chat. You may answer your own. What makes you laugh? Means there is different answers here of the different student. Then what makes you angry? What makes you sad? What makes you happy? These are 4 questions. Find out their answer, your own answer. Now 20 questions. From groups of 6 to 8, one per leader chooses one item, a picture, a paragraph or lesson from any of the 9th standard textbook and writes the reference on a slip of paper and folding it. Other ask him her questions and try to guess what is it. From his her answers, follow the rules given below. The maximum number of questions the rest of the group can ask is 20. You can't ask a direct question like what do you have in mind. You can ask a WH question or yes/no type question. The leader has to give truthful answers. Now here is one topic there, and in this topic one group introduced to economics. Say some specimen questions are here. In this session we include 2 type of question, WH question and verbal question or yes/no type question. First question is there. Is it related to science or math? Answer is no. Is it from any language? No. Do you think it is a part of social studies? Yes. Is it based on history civics? No. Do you agree that it is from geography? Yes. Can you tell what is it based on? Yes. Is it a part of economics? Yes. Is it based on profit and loss? Yes. Do you think it is based on family's income and expenditure? Yes. And how to spend our income? Yes. So is it based on our performance of expenditure? Yes. So then it is introduction to economics. Is it right? Yes. So like this you can ask another question add in it. Then another part in this warming up, agreements and disagreements. From pairs list the things on which you have same opinion and also the one on which you have different opinions. Prepare a list of 10 things in all and see how you agree or disagree with your friend. Some useful phrases are given outside in left hand, agreement and disagreement. So with the help of this we can make a chart, and in this chart we write first in points agreements, disagreements, means performance of sportmen and sportwomen. We take this subject. First point, at first we ask him family or her family background. It's important. Disagreements, no I don't think so. Then basic skills, I totally agree with it. Disagreements, no some skills can be improved. Then third point, interest, that's very important. Disagreements, I agree with you. Coaching, I agree with it, it's necessary. Agreement, disagreements, absolutely it's necessary. Then family support, I think for women it's necessary. No I don't think so, even men need family support. Then regular practice, yes it's very important, it's very essential. And disagreement, absolutely necessary. Coach favor, no I don't think so, I think it's necessary sometimes. Then knowledge, tricks and tactics of game, absolutely necessary. And I totally agree with you. Physical fitness, yes, for women it's more important. It is essential. In disagreements, no, I disagree with it, even for men, and it's important. Then next point, cooperation and coordination of co-players. Yes, without it we cannot show his her performance there. In disagreement, I am not sure about it. So this is the warming up